Welcome to this tutorial video about ChatGPT GPTs. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. This tutorial uses GPT 4.0 as well as the GPT 4.0 paid version. So what is a GPT? GPTs are custom versions of ChatGPT that users can tailor for specific tasks or topics by combining instructions, knowledge, and capabilities. GPTs can be as simple or as complex as needed. By the way, GPTs replace ChatGPT plugins, which were phased out in April 2024. Available at https://chat.openai.com/GPTs. The GPT Store is a marketplace where users can search for and access various GPTs. Some GPTs are featured, and users can explore different categories to find GPTs that suit their needs. Here we see some featured productivity GPTs, including a GPT to help with Canva and another one to create diagrams. Research and analysis GPTs include various tools for helping with research. There are also DALL-E GPTs, which offer assistance with image generation and video creation. I asked Cartoonize Yourself GPT for a Pixar-style image. I uploaded an image of my Havanese dog who is black and white. The GPT produced a cartoon image of a Havanese dog. Let's create a GPT. It could be a firm-wide initiative to create a custom GPT based on training manuals or other company knowledge. Go to https://chat.openai.com/gpts/editor. At the time of this recording, users of GPT 4.0 free version cannot create GPTs. The remaining parts of this tutorial use the paid version of GPT 4.0. Let's create a GPT based on training manuals and other company knowledge. In the Create tab, you can message the GPT Builder to help you build a new GPT. You can say something like, make a company policy manual expert. To name and set the description of your GPT, head to the Configure tab. Here, you will also be able to select the actions you would like your GPT to take, like browsing the web or creating images. Here, for our policy manual expert, we would upload all the documents we have, like our company policy manual and important procedure memos. When you're ready to publish your GPT, select Publish and share it with other people within your company. There are some things to know about custom GPTs. You have a choice at the settings level of your account to now allow your data to be used for training ChatGPT. You can also fine-tune your GPT over time. So if you build a custom GPT on your policy manual, you now have a way to get policy questions answered quickly just by typing in questions. You can also ask your GPT to craft memos, announcements, or reminders about policies. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.